check the posted values, and it's important to you just the suggestion and an email. Suggestion and an email if not empty. You could give it. Alright, here is the connection.php. Let's go back to that tutorial about it, how to create connection.php, and this is the SQL command to write something into a database. But I know, oh my god. So let's continue this part. It's a little change will be in the SQL command because I know some fields before, so you didn't need to add. For example, language. I know that if language has a default value, so you could delete it from the SQL query. Email suggestion, date time is necessary, but answered is not, because it has a default value, so you could delete it. Here it is, but you know date time will have a now function. You must add here and you will close it with this character now and close it with this character. Alright, and let's try what happened. MySQL real escape string is to protect your database from some characters which is danger for your insert. It name SQL injection. So, but that's all. So let's try. Add an email, and at the submit you might write an error message to fill the forms, but what happened? If you don't know what happened, write down the SQL query and you will know. Something is problem. See the values of suggest, and you can see something not so good. I think we could not able to connect to the database. Let's try this. The registration is success. Oh, that's nice. And if you refresh this site, the data won't make a duplication, because when the result is okay, so you could able to insert the data from the forms, the result is 1 or true. It's true, of course. Then it made a header location to go to another location, and the location is suggest english.php will be, of course. If the result false, it goes to this location. You can see the link. OK is 1, and I have at the end of the file an if function which check the OK value. If it's 1, it takes this registration success report, but if it's O, it writes can't register. But it's not a register, it's a suggest. Your and if you could not able, and that's all. And you could add another value to this variable. You see the question mark. After, you could add the variable name and a value, and if you have another variable, use this and sign and add a variable name and add a value. If you wanted to print this variable, use the get method, which is looks like this. Upload it and see what happened. Wow, it works. Now I will delete it, and thank you for your attention, and suggest a tutorial you wanted, and I will do. First of all, if something suggested, I will see it, or I could create a report to the tutorial site that I have many suggests in the database ordered by date time. Bye bye.